In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the back cover off the LG 55LX6500 TV. We're going to start with these 4 screws here on the stand. And this will lift up a little bit, and then I can slide it out. Then we're going to do the screw right here for our power cable. And that's going to be a machine screw, which is different than most of the other screws. We'll go ahead and get that out of there. I have 4 mounting screws. So on this one, we're actually missing one. Typically there are 4. I have 3 right now. And then finally we have 2 smaller ones over here. So we have one in between the component inputs and another small one right here. And that should be all the screws that are inside of the TV. The rest are going to be on the perimeter. The most common symptoms we see are the TV turns on and off, but no backlight and no picture appears on screen. The TV can turn on, but will stay stuck on the LG boot logo. The TV turns on, shows proper picture, but the HDMI ports don't work. Or we can see the HDMI ports working, however, no audio comes out of the speakers. All of those are common faults that we see with the main board. All right, and that should be all of the screws. So our last step is to lift the cover off. This is sheet metal, so it will bend, and there are some sharp edges, so be very careful. I'm gonna start by lifting here at the bottom. I'm gonna put my hand down in the center and lift it from below. And there we go. If you want information on how to remove your main board next, check out this video. And if you want information on how to fix the main board, check the one down below. If you found the content helpful, useful, leave us a like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.